Ditch the ordinary and learn how to create stunning donut charts in Tableau, turning data into delicious visuals. First, open Tableau Desktop and connect to your data source. For this tutorial, we'll use a sample dataset, but yours can be anything with numerical and categorical data. Drag your categorical field, like category, to the color mark and your numerical field, like sales, to the angle mark. This creates your initial pie chart. Now you have your basic pie chart. Adjust your view if needed, change colors or labels until you get to where you love it. Now, we'll create the donut in the data pane. Create a calculated field. This field will be used to create the inner circle of the donut. Name it something like center, and the calculation will be a VG0. This will allow us to create a second mark. Drag the center calculated field onto your column shelf. This will create a second pie chart layered directly on top of the first, creating an initial blank pie chart that we will work on. In the marks card, change the mark type of the second pie chart from automatic to pie. Now, reduce the size of this second pie chart. Drag the size card control to make the pie smaller, forming the hole in your donut. Finally, go back to original marks card and add labels. Put your measure example sales in the label mark and the category in the label mark. There you go. Now you can create a donut chart in Tableau.